Edo State Governor Senator Gov Okpebholo don tok say e administration no go depend on consultants to run the state matters, say im government go make big difference for governance, and dat na wetin im promise during campaign to make Edo pipo life better. Governor Okpebholo tok dis one on Tuesday when he supervised the swearing-in of members of the Edo State Internal Revenue Service, Local Government Service Commission, Edo State Sport Commissions, and permanent secretaries.
And that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I, Gov Okpebholo, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Executive Chairman, Board of Internal Revenue in Edo State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my decisions, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or become known to me as Executive Chairman, Board of Internal Revenue in Edo State, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Executive Chairman, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
The governor con tok say e administration go support the new officials wey dem swear in with everything dem need to succeed to make sure say dem fit do their work wella and do am on time. To the new permanent secretaries, Oga Governor con tok say e administration go support dem to build public service wey go welcome new ideas, and say dem no go allow consultants to do their job. Say as dem start the new work, dem go dey check on dem all the time, especially as dem dey implement the plans and policies wey dem get. The governor Costi tok say in government ready gidigba to raise the standard for better governance, development for the state, and better social service for Edo people.
It is obvious that this administration is set to make a huge difference in governance. Which is my campaign promise to the good people of Edo State. We want to take up this challenge because things cannot continue to remain the way it is. My administration is determined to raise the bar for good governance, infrastructural development, and social service for our citizens. The Edo State Internal Revenue Service, Local Government Commission, and Sport Commission, we will support you with everything you need to succeed. So our new permanent secretaries, we will assist you to build a public servant that will be responsive to innovation, as we will not allow consultants to do your jobs. We will continue to support you. As you resume a new duty, we shall constantly hold you accountable when and where necessary, especially when translating our program and policy into reality. On this note, I say congratulations to you all.
For in talk, the chairman of Edo State Internal Revenue Service, Oladele Bankole Balogun, come thank the governor for the trust when he don't put for the newly sworn-in officers and come promise say them go work together to make sure say the Okpebholo administration succeed.
Your Excellency, the appointments that you have made today is a testament to the value you place on hard work, dedication, as well as service to the people of our great state. It also underscores the commitment of building a team that will advance the progress of the state and its peoples. Now, on my part and on the part of my board, having campaigned vigorously for you during the elections, we have a deep understanding of your vision to bring rapid improvements to the quality of life in Edo State through critical investments in the 5 key points outlined during your campaign. With this knowledge, Your Excellency, we are fully committed to working tirelessly to ensure that the revenue base of our state is significantly expanded and diversified. This is essential to achieving the 5 cardinal programs of your administration and creating a sustainable foundation for the transformation of Edo State. Your Excellency, I can assure you that my board, under my leadership, will play a key role in generating the revenue to drive your ambitious plans earmarked for our great state. On this note, I thank you. God bless His Excellency. God bless Edo State. And God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Damian Lawane, the chairman of Local Government Service Commission, Amadi Desmond Inabulele, the chairman of Edo State Sports Commission, and Dr. Paul Ehiowero, the new permanent secretary for Edo State Civil Service, among others, come talk say,
I want to say that today's appointment is a major challenge to all of us, especially at the state level. The era of giving figures of about each time the government asks what are the number of employed staff of each local government, you will always hear about 200, about 250. Now, Your Excellency, you are going to have the original number, the physical heads, and everything that is done. This will not only help government to plan, it will help to develop Edo State, and resources will be made available to those who voted and suffered to ensure that this government is in place. And when this is done, Your Excellency, be rest assured that this government will serve Edo people, and the tenure they have given to you, which is 4 years, will be completed. Thank you, and God bless you.
May I express my sincere gratitude to His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Edo State, for this unique opportunity given to me and members of the inaugurated board of the State Sports Commission to contribute our quota to the development of sports in our dear state. Edo State is known for its rich love for sports, with the arrays of athletes who have represented the state and the country at various international and national competitions, making the state and country proud of the laurels won at this competition. One of our targets is to revive our sporting prowess and become the powerhouse and sport capital of Nigeria. And with the support of our sport-loving governor, stakeholders, and sport enthusiasts, we can take Edo State to the forefront of the Nigeria sports scene. Our vision for this Edo State Sports Commission is simple but ambitious. We envisage a commission that is focused on developing world-class athletes and also nurture grassroots sporting talents in the state. We hereby pledge to discharge our duties with utmost diligence and integrity, and work with all relevant bodies to achieve our set objective. Finally, I would like to thank all those who stood by us to get to this height. We need your support to achieve the pinnacle of excellence for sports in our dear states. Together, we will make Edo State a model for sport development in Nigeria. Edo State is rising.
I want to thank you profusely for appointing us as permanent secretaries in the Edo State Civil Service. I want to assure you of our support and commitment to your administration. We know, we appreciate that the Civil Service is the driving force, the engine room of government. We shall perform our duties to ensure the necessary information institutionalization in the civil service. Your Excellency, sir, we know that you are committed to ensuring good governance in this state. And there are virtues you represent. These virtues are transparency, accountability, practical governance, fairness, equity, and justice. Your Excellency, we are going to protect, promote, and defend your interests at all times and the interests of Edo people. So at the end of the day, Edo people will celebrate electing you as the governor. Thank you very much, sir.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, A. Kata Ojesele, TMC TV News.